All right, good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful but cold Florida morning, Saturday morning. We are headed out to the Frank H Peterson Academy car show today. Flyer here. Uh, should be a big car show because there's no other car shows going on in the immediate Jacksonville area. Um, so we're gonna go see what this car show's like. We never been to this car show before. But they said it was a huge car show last year, over 200 cars. So we're gonna go see what we see today. Uh, it may or may not be as big, uh, but like I said, there's not really anything else going on today because it's right before Thanksgiving. I would figure there would be some other things going on, but there's not. So we're gonna go see. Uh, so stay tuned. We'll shoot some updates and shoot some video and get back with you. All right, guys. So we just got here to the Frank H Peterson Academy car show. It's kind of early. It's kind of thin. Maybe 2 dozen cars, maybe. Because I know I pulled in. My number was 14. That's the lowest my number usually ever is. So there's been 4 or 5 cars come in since I have. So I'd say maybe 25, 20, 24, 25, something like that. Uh, they may just be late because it's cold today. I don't know. But looking kind of thin. But we'll see. Hey, I'll take you and show you what I can see real quick. I see I parked way out so I could have some room. As you can see, there ain't a whole lot of cars here yet. See, I'm still in the truck. But you got to come through that gate, and they're making you register as you come in the gate. So they're making sure they're getting their fee. Hey, and ain't nothing wrong with that. So anyway, maybe some more cars will show up and we can get some stuff done. But it may be a thin crowd today because of just the timing. Or they may drag in all day, but I ain't gonna be here all day. I know that. It's gonna get to heading towards noontime, and I'm gonna be headed to the house. Okay, guys, so we just left the Frank H Peterson Academy car show. Not sure what the deal was, but I think I counted a total of 41 cars, maybe 45. Being generous at 45. Um, it is a cold morning. I will, admit that it is cold. So maybe that kept some people away. But I don't know. They said they had 200 last year. That's some hellacious shrinkage. Sorry, I couldn't help but make a joke on that one. It wasn't a bad show. Just, there's no other car shows in town today. And they only drew 41 cars. What you going to do? I feel bad for them because they're raising money for the kids, for the programs at the school. If they had 200 cars last year, they didn't do something this year that they did last year. But I went and I looked and I took pictures and I took video. I did the whole thing. So we're going to head home and get warm because it is sure enough cold. It ain't even cracked 50 degrees. So we'll put together the video and we'll post it up and you can see what was there. Kind of a little bit of a letdown, but I always go into these car shows not knowing what to expect when it's a new car show or a car show I've never been to. So you just kind of, you don't know what to expect. But, when they say on their little event page, oh, we had 200 cars last year, you expect a big show. And you get that little bit of a show, and it's like, something right here. But anyway, it is the week before Thanksgiving, or the weekend before Thanksgiving, so people may be out traveling, going places. So that may be part of the problem. I don't know when they had it scheduled last year, so. But we went, we saw, we paid our money, we gave them a donation. Let's see. Oh, on to channel news. We have 162 subscribers. I think it's 162. Might be 168. But anyway, it's really starting to roll. We're starting to get more subscribers with me doing the little short minute videos of the walkarounds of the cars. I'm going to try to shake it up and cut my walkabout video into 1 minute clips and start posting that too and see if that shakes it up a little more. But I'm grateful for every subscriber I've got. We're on the road to 500. We're going to get there. I don't know, it may take a little while, but hey, we're further along than we were this time last year. This time last year we had, 5 subscribers, 10 maybe. Now, coming up this next week, we got Turkey Run in Daytona. Our plan for the channel is to go down on Friday and Saturday.
One of those days may not happen, but if it's not going to happen, it's not going to be Friday. Because I have to go on Saturday because the club's doing our big cookout lunch at that turkey run. So, got to go for that. There's some other events coming up that I'm going to try to make. I'm trying to find out when the lighted boat parades are in the area. I know when the first one is in Jacksonville. It's on the 30th, which is the day of Turkey Run. I'm not going to be able to make that because I'm going to be driving back from Turkey Run to make it to an Iceman hockey game. But then there's one on December 14th in St. Mary's, Georgia, that I'm going to try to make. It may not happen. It's going to be a toss-up because I got Iceman tickets for that night too. So I don't know which. It's kind of one of those, which do I want to do? Do I want to do the Iceman game or do I want to do the light boat parade? I'm waiting to hear from the little community of Kings Ferry when they're doing their light boat parade. Hopefully it will be on the 21st. And I have nothing on the 21st. I can go to it. Because the 7th, I've got the USS Orlick is doing a car show in downtown Jacksonville. So I'm going to that. And then I think there's a hockey game that night too. After that's the end of a three-peat Thursday, Friday, Saturday series. Things have gotten complicated since hockey season has started. One of these days I'm going to post up my calendar and show you what's on my calendar, and you guys are going to flip. But hey, I can make content out of all of it. Any of it I go to, I can make content out of. I can make highlight reels from the Iceman game if I don't make the light boat parade. So anyway, that's going to wrap it up for this video this weekend. So I hope you guys enjoy it. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. And we'll keep doing them as long as you keep watching them.
If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.